eSIM, SIM card. Great and stable network. An excellent service with excellent coverage. Will buy again. 2BG/. Cheap rates and easy to install with a single click. OK. Easy to understand and use. Great and fast data. CP, 4G, IG, OK. eSIM. Day. Simple activation via QR code and quick online access. (2G). Wi-Fi is fast, recommend. Cheap and good. Great for travel. (5G 4G, lag). The eSIM works very well. I connected to Wi-Fi at the airport to activate the card, then it worked. Seamless connection and there was no disruption while using. Easy installation, fast data. Easy to use and connection is well covered. Most recommended. (1) eSIM. 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 It was a wonderful experience using eSIM as you don't need a physical card. Easy to access and also the line was stable. Will buy from Day again if I'm going on a vacation. Day. Wi-Fi.